Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And on either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them. You've got a 12-volt power outlet and this power button on the other side for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And underneath this rugged cargo cover, you have your spare wheel, just pinched there, with some extra room around it for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches with MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, now playing, phone controls, and information screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. Below that, you have this little tray, and moving down further, you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this tray area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And then you have a 12 volts USB and USB-C, so you can plug something else in from there. And then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then, last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside with another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there as well. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.